55 coming to you from Genoa, Italy. And off my balcony, looking down here in the port, you can see people playing cricket. And they're playing in a parking lot, you can see that. And I don't know much about cricket, but I know that you have a bowler who's like a pitcher, and you have the striker who is like a batter. Any of the other rules, I have no idea what they are. But you can see the guy running up and throwing the ball, and you see the batter right back there. Let's see here. But this is beautiful here in Genoa. Look how picturesque it is. I've never seen a place that has so many almost like pastel colored places. It's just so beautiful. And here's the harbor right here, and you can see all the different tugboats and pilot boats, and got some big yachts over here. It's a beautiful day today. It hit 75 degrees here. But look at the mountainside, but just the architecture is amazing here. But I've never seen so many like pastel colored buildings. So back to the cricket game right here. Let's see what we got going on. There's the striker. There we go. There's the striker. This guy here's getting ready to throw the ball again. The ball, here he goes. Watch him run. There he goes. Oh, he hit a hard one right there. That one went out there far. So I still don't know the object of the game. But anyhow, just playing in a parking lot. Let's see if we got a little bit more going. See the guy in the right hand side coming up. He's running. There's supposed to be 11 people on the quote field. And the bowler's supposed to hit down the pin. You see, you had the guy back there as a catcher, and they don't have any, they're not wearing gloves or mitts or anything like that. This is kind of like front row seats here. Here goes again. Here's the ball. This guy right there picked it up out there. Then supposedly when you hit the ball, then you change in positions. I'm not that familiar with the cricket. But it's very interesting to watch from my balcony here on the Sun Princess. Here he goes again. Here goes another one. I'm not sure what happened there, but they look like they just changed positions again. I don't think this reel is going to make ESPN highlights. Here he goes again. Look at it. Running. So you got basically a pitcher and a catcher. They call it a bowler and a striker and a catcher, I guess. Guy walking with the gray pants on back there. He's the bowler. And he runs up. Oh, here goes a hit. So that's all the excitement here from Genoa. Great backdrop though. Beautiful, beautiful backdrop. We're gonna be leaving here in a couple hours. Back to the game for one last time. That's what we got. Here he goes, running. I don't know. Catcher picks it up, and there you are. So till then, coming to you from Genoa, Italy. Subscribe to my channel. You all have a good day.